ಹಲೋ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೊಂದು ಬರ್ಡೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಡೇ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪನಂಬೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಆಂಟಿ. ಧನು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಧನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಬ್ಬರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
Raise your wife. Barundule. Yaar barundule, please come. Finally, an exchange pandaga. Yanpade age limit ichi nikle dala banga ijindugi easy undu. Senior most couple ittidalla goppoli. Aa easy undu. Sir, veeru onturu manas malpulu. Perfect, thank you. Ite enna kaitu unchi ring undu. Indike inklu hula hoop alpa. Okay? Nikle malpere dada panda. Unchi with that light, same reach, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Untale. Decision makka. Okay. Yo. Okay, done. Throw. Miss Sand. Congratulations. Gokul, thank you later. Varpaji prize sikkadata. So congratulations to Gokul and Nisha. Where is Nisha? Nisha, yes, Gokul and Nisha. Congratulations. We'll give you a prize later. You can be seated. Thank you so much. I said a pretty lady, take one picture and come out of the porlu. Ayyo, yes, not a missing nature. Picture of any pretty lady and come forward. Here, laugh it. So only 7 will be qualified in this round. You will go. Listen of any uncle who has a nice beard. I need 7 of them on the stage. Ready? One chance. Be quick, fast. And take a picture of any uncle who has worn a belt. You will take a picture of a belt. Take a picture of any auntie who's wearing a sari. Simple. 3 will be called. Mustache, no beard. First person to reach me. Okay, the first person to reach me. Letter G. The more supporting team, the support will learn. Okay, done. Okay, in the finale round, the one who's going to reach first is going to take away the prize. First table the athletic prize. Okay, and the letter is the last letter of the alphabet. English alphabet. Last letter. Oh, Z. Danu. Itu yoshna malpule. Z. Yoshna onchuru think malpule. Naadle in the first final round atta. Ticked. Veenati goskara onji mommy. Okay, jorada taati bottule. You mommy, huh? Illade more than half of malpule. 50-50. Okay, congratulations. Thank you so much. The color which girls like, pink. Our baby girl's birthday is pink color. Let's say I need 8 of them. Pink color. Auntie Vader. One can get only 1 person. 2, 3. I have 3. No, one can get only 1 person. No. One can get only 1 person. Go find there are many of them wearing pink. How come there are many of them? Okay. Only for us. See, only these are competing. Remember, I know who are competing. Right? Go. Two will be milestone that Riddhi has achieved. So all of you get ready and get set. Put your hands together nice and loud and welcome our birthday girl. Ready? 3, 2, 1 and music. with the maximum right answers there. Next game we have for the special prize to Gokul and also his wife there. One more prize you're getting there. Congratulations to Gokul's wife as well. Diabetes is just. Okay, let them take this picture.
चाहे तुमको चलकर तो तरसाए
Panambur beach.